Okay, hi everyone. Today I am.
On YouTube, you're doing it.
What? Okay. Today we're at Butlin and we're going to be climbing up all the towers and see what one is the best. We're climbing up Blue so far. Oh, and there is a hallway there. Okay. Lily, right. We got there. Okay, and now. Oh, hi Molly. Hi. Isn't it chocolate block in here? Right, I'm sorry, I was supposed to be 10 minutes about what you do.
Come to the What the fuck? Phoebe, Phoebe, do the same thing what you did there. Lily, are you coming? Are you waiting to get down there?
Yes and no. Okay, we're gonna go down the side and yeah. Okay, right, we're going down. Woo! That was fun. Okay. Come on, we need to ride. Right, I'm gonna rate that one like a 5 out of 10. Quite boring.
It's quite small. And also little people in there.
I know, and it's really crowded. I know. And now one.
He got scared. Alright, you can get down there. Then do we go back up?
It's gonna be like. It's really. Like, it's so crowded with kids. How good and amazing Butlin is. Yeah. So I'm actually just going this way.
Where is she? Savannah?
There's so many crowded kids I can't even play properly. So weird. Okay. Oh, and make sure to like and subscribe to Sliver_Faith. It is my sister's account. I cannot really say mine because I can't say mine because basically, I don't. Do my one. I don't know why I'm doing this. Don't know why I'm doing this, but why am I doing it? Where does that go? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. Ah! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. Okay, please say there's a slide up here. I came up here for nothing.
Seriously, I came up this tower for this.
I mean, at least I can.
Oh my god.
We came all the way to the top for this. I know.
Jesus Christ.
I'm jumping down. I'm going down.
Are you filming the video? Are you down here? Are you down? You down? Yeah.
Right, bye. I'm going down. I hate that.
Where's that? I got it. Huh? Okay. Okay, stand. I'm stuck.
Oh my god. No, it's really fast going down. You know that. Oh, that was really fun. fun.
Are you down?
Yeah, I'm down. That was really fun. Now I'm gonna. I don't know where my phone. I just left Mommy. Somebody brought a grimace shake with water. Somebody brought a grimace shake with water in, like, bro. Spiders. Don't know where Molly is. Yeah. Just needed this one. It's 4 minutes already. Yeah. Where am I supposed to go? Oh wait. Nobody ever told. This video has to be 10 minutes because this was so scary. I am watching Stephen Mulhern. Is that how you pronounce it? Make sure you like, subscribe, and make sure, best of all, to subscribe. I mean, ring the bell to my sister's channel, Sliver. Thanks. I don't know why it has to be Sliver. Why does it have to be Sliver? Okay, just shut up and Gryffindor.
21, want to do something for me?
People are singing songs, saying,
Without the boy was here.
oh my god.
I'm trying to get over there. I'm dying today.
I'll shout you when I'm at the bottom, okay?
Okay.
How is this saying? Oh, I'm on. Bye. Bye. I'll tell you when I'm at the bottom. I'm at the bottom.
Okay, this will be the last ride. I'm just gonna check out. It's 7. By the way, here is the top if you don't know. That's the top slide. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, that was actually really fun. I'm not lying. Okay, and I think we might go on a ride one time. Oh my god. Okay, bye guys.
This is him, isn't it, coming down?
Sounds like that.
Hi.
Where's Molly?
She said she's going to try and do that.
She's at the top.
It's in the bushes.
She's not coming in. Well, not the one after.
The lights don't always work.
No, they didn't work for Josh.
Is this her or not?
Yeah, this is her. She gets that position.
Fast there, Mal.
You didn't follow?